I want to talk about the GovTool, maintenance and testing. Right now, if we want to run the GovTool locally, it points us to this repository. So let's see it here in my computer. I can see README. I can enter the repository subfolder. So it says here, refer to wiki. So let's refer ourselves to wiki. It starts with contents, getting started. So there's no actionable items here that I see. So I try to figure out on my own how to run this software. And what I came to realize is that, for example, if I do this command here, I get this feedback. So I can see that this repository is for the GovTool, but I don't know how to run it, right? If we see the history of how I did it and the issue here, setting up the development environment, in my particular case in NixOS, and facing some of the blockers that I encountered, So I made some notes on how it works. And you can see I just called that command there, which is which command did I call? Don't remember exactly. But anyway, it was here. So we can try to run these commands and understand what's going on. I happen to know that at the moment I'm stuck with this command. You can see it is stuck in container creating. We can wait, of course, but I tried it didn't work. And so I kept figuring it out. And I found, for example, this command. And you can see it shows me some kind of flannel error, E1027, which I didn't have opportunity to debug yet. But what I did instead, I went and created this file. Which uses a program called BATS. Bash Automated Testing System. And so what this program does, it runs bash scripts and names them as tests. So, for example, here we can check that secrets exist in GovTool namespace. And then if we run this using BATS software, which is easy to install and doesn't depend on a lot of things, I hope. We can see this output. which tells us that something is wrong. And so I happen to know that researching that error that I showed earlier, that this is not working. So I have to continue figuring it out here in my computer, and setting it up in a declarative way like this. Hopefully it will work, because I don't see any other way to do it on my computer at the moment. But the file doesn't have to do anything with the Nix code there. Just kind of it represents the state of the computer that I'm in, which is built from the code. So it makes sense to put it in the as a specification for the code that I'm using. But because the specification interacts with any Unix system, tests will work and check if you can see all the variables and other things there. Checking different parameters of the Kubernetes system, which seems to be very complex. So there's total about 40 something tests. Yep, 47 tests. Thank you.